Hello, welcome back to Daniel's DIY channel. Today we're going to be hanging up these smart LED string lights. As you can see, right now they're red, white, and blue. We can change them to all different colors. You can use your voice to turn them on and off and change the colors, which is awesome. That way you don't have to worry about flipping the switch and making sure it's accessible. It's a lot of times with the string lights, you have them plugged in where you can't reach them. Yeah, hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, if you could subscribe, it really helps me out. So to start out, you're gonna need these whiskey barrels that I have. I just got some used ones. These things they say they'll last up to 60 years. So these ones are a few years old, but should have plenty of life left in them. They're just half cut a whiskey barrel. And then I'm gonna be using this 10-foot long 4x4. For my project, I have 3 of them. I'm gonna do 3 whiskey barrels. And then to secure it in the barrel, I'm gonna use these about 11-inch cut 2x4s. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with those on the 4x4, and then I'll stick them into the pot. And just like that, got all 4 of them drilled on there. Super simple. They don't even all have to be the same length. Just roughly the same length. Mine are about 11 inches long, each of them. Just was long enough to fit most of the bottom of the pot, but not too big to where it doesn't fit. But yeah, you just drill them on. Just put 2 screws in each of them, just like that, and it's been pretty secure. Now I'll drop it into the pot and drill it to the bottom. But first, before we put the pole into the barrel, we have to drill the top here to put this little eye hook in there. That's where we're gonna hook the string lights to. So let's start by drilling a hole. And then we'll just screw this in there. It'll be super easy since you already drilled the hole out. So now that we have the post in the pot here, you can see it fits nice and perfect. We're gonna take this 5.5-inch long decking screw and drill it into the boards. I'm gonna do 2 in each 2x4, just to make it nice and secure. Just like that, and I'll keep going around to all 4 boards, 2 in each. Just like that, nice and secure. You can move it around, it's not gonna go anywhere. But later we're gonna put some bags of concrete in here too, just to make it just that more secure and make it a little more heavier. And then we're gonna put some potting soil on top of that, and that's it for the pot. And then we'll string the lights. So what I'm doing is making 2 bags of concrete I'm gonna put in each pot. So I got this 60-pound bag of Quickcrete. Just put half of it into one, just a little 5-gallon bucket here with a garbage bag in it. Doing half at a time, that way the bag doesn't rip. And then you'll just pour the recommended amount of water in here. And we'll just let it sit in there for just a couple minutes and let it soak it up. And then we'll pull the bag and put it into the pot. I'll show you that. And you can kind of shake the bucket here to make it settle down in there good. So this is the consistency you want it when you pour it out of the bag. Just see all the water has soaked into the concrete there. Just has that nice wet, still wet, but it's not any standing water on top. Also, if you're using just a regular little household garbage bag like I am, make sure you double it up. Just like that, you just drop the bag in there, just kind of push it around the boards in there, and you get it nice and secure. We're just gonna let it sit in that bag, and it'll cure over the next like 24 hours. And then we'll just cut out whatever bag we can get out, and we'll put our potting soil on top. So there you have it. We're all done with our whiskey barrel planter light pole project. As you can see, they're looking good. They're all up. I did it all in one day by myself. So it's a pretty simple, easy project. Definitely have probably recommend having another person to help you string up the lights, but it's not necessarily needed, but it would make it a lot easier and probably more safe as well. Have someone watch you while you're up on the ladder. I'll give you a little tour here of how it looks. Here it is. I have it plugged in. I'm just using an extension cord right down to here. I have my Google Home plugged into it as well up there. Eventually I want to make that a little nicer. I'm up in there in the corner, but it'll do for now. They just run along out to the first pole. This is where the two lines are connected right there. And the second pole and the third pole there. And I just have it back to the house. As you can see, I filled the planters full of some potting soil. I just got to figure out what I want to plant in those now. Might move some of these strawberry plants into there, or maybe get a different variety of strawberry, or maybe just some flowers. This is what they look like at night. As you can see, they light up the area really well. There's no other lights on out here, and it's dark outside. So they do a good job of lighting up your back patio. Highly recommend. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. We'd love to have you at this channel. It's fairly new, just getting started. If you want to see more DIY projects, if you want to see something particular, leave a comment and I'll try to get to that. But I have a lot of stuff planned, a lot of how-to videos and unboxing videos as well. But yeah, hope you stick around. Keep on doing it yourself. See you next time. Bye.